So what's up YouTube, it's your girl Dior and I'm back with more. I want to say first and foremost, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Danny. I like to eat, do my hair, and keep to go nowhere. Period. Poof. So today I have another clothing haul. Before I get into anything, I just want to give y'all my code. So much Tinty, I can say y'all so many handy. Period. So my huge Shein haul was kind of like with everything mixed in, but this one is specifically dedicated to dresses because who don't love a cute dress? Okay. So I have 6 dresses, all different styles. We have party dresses, chill dresses, spring dresses, cute. So without further ado, let's get into these dresses. Okay, you guys, so this is the first dress. Giving very much sassy, bougie, ratchet, or classy, bougie, it's giving what Meg Thee Stallion. This is a size small, long sleeve, and it's kind of scrunch on the sides. I really do like this dress because, as many of you know, Lovely Wholesale, they be tricking with their materials. Like, what you ordered sometimes don't be what you be getting, and kind of sets me off a bit. But this one, it looks, or not looks, it feels how it should. It's very smooth, soft material on your skin. So I paired it with my glasses from my Shein haul, this vegan purse that I don't know where it came from, and these little shoes from Shein. And the full look is giving you can't sit with us. All in all, I do give this dress a 10. I just love how it fits and just the colors. It's so abstract. Like, you're not gonna see many people wearing this unless I post this video. So yeah, Lovely Wholesale, y'all did y'all thing with this dress. Okay, period. Link down below. Go shop. Okay, y'all, so in all honesty, I don't even know if I'm wearing this dress right. Like, in the picture, the girl was giving the girl's body. I'm giving him. Anyways, y'all, so I don't know if I'm wearing this wrong or it just doesn't fit how it's supposed to. I tried to scrunch it up, but you can't scrunch it up too much because I'm gonna be naked. And this is the smallest size. This is a small. I mean, the back looks fine. Front, maybe I just don't have enough boobs to, like, I don't know, do what it's supposed to do. But this dress, thumbs down. It gets a 0 out of 10 for me because I see what they were going for, but I don't know, the way it's like composed, the dress is sewn, it's not like, why is half of my nipples? Anyways, y'all, so yeah, this is not gonna work. I paired it with some heels, my black pair of heels out of my 3 heels that I have, but nah, baby, it's not gonna work. So although this dress don't look exactly like the picture, this is one of those moments I was telling you about. Like, the top, it doesn't fit, but I can't deny it. I literally love this dress. It just gives off such a spring, summery, just pretty girl vibe, you know. Headband is from my Shein haul. Go check it out if you haven't already. Literally love this because I just feel like it's just so free. Like, the material, of course it's not real silk, I doubt it, but it feels very soft on your skin. This is probably like the best material out of all of them. I rate this an 8. Only reason I say that is because, you know, the cup part, well, it's just fabric, but yeah. Other than that, sweetie, we pretty and pampered, okay? I don't know, like, even with the headband might be too much, but even with it, it's giving pretty. Like, I really love this. I'm saving this for spring break. I can't even post. This is more of a party dress. At first, I didn't really like it because I just felt like, I don't know, the feathers weren't as big as they're supposed to be. But once I put it on, the dress don't look that bad. This is how it looks in its entirety. I paired it with the Lovely Wholesale purse they sent me a while back. Because this is a party dress, I would suggest wearing it with heels. Like, you can't just throw on some sandals or sneakers with this. I mean, you can, but it's just not, you know, that's not drip. So just having my Lovely Wholesale purse and my clear nude heels from Shein. This is the back. This is a full view, and this is probably like the best fitting dress that they sent me. This is a small, but it fits like a glove. Maybe too tight, but it fits better than the rest. So So I would rate this a 9. The only thing that I would complain about or fix is the feathers, but like I said, that's just how it is nowadays. I don't really expect much from Lovely Wholesale because most of the times what you see is not always what you get. It's good, but it's not always what you get. So look, they made it work. They made it work for them, made it work for me. Listen, when I tell y'all this last dress did not come to play, it did not come to play. It did not come to play. It came to slay. Like, y'all, when I first got this dress, I had to like tie it because it was too loose. Like I said, once again, it's probably because my body type and I don't really have boobs like that. It wasn't fitting like on the model. My expectations are super high for their clothes. But yeah. So I made a knot, but I couldn't get the knot out, so I had to cut it and retie it. So the dress doesn't come like this. It comes as like one thing, but I had to cut it. But yes, it's giving the girls glass of milk. Come here, let me show you something. In all honesty, I would really wear this on vacation somewhere. It's so sleek, it's so clean, the material is nice. This is one of the things I can say the material is definitely holding up. Kind of see-through, but yeah, I'm brown, so it's not really much to see. I just paired it with my Shein purse from my Shein haul, Gucci headband with the slides. Okay, yeah, so this is all one look. I love it so much. Also, hear me out. I know I said I had 6 dresses for this haul, but then I remembered, it occurred to me that the first dress, like the very first dress I tried on was crap. Like, y'all remember them pink pants? That happened again. And then the pink pants that I had from the other one, that happened again as well. So I thought I learned my lesson, but I clearly didn't. The dress looked like this. So I was like, I'm just go ahead and save myself the embarrassment and the heartache of putting on a dress that looks bad. Like I said, I decided to show y'all what it looked like anyway because I'm very transparent with you. But yeah, that dress is definitely a 0. This is a 10. This is my favorite because it's just like, it's perfect. But yeah, the other dress was not giving what it was supposed to give. Can't be mad at them because I didn't have to pay for it. But if I did have to pay for it, or if y'all watching this and you want to buy something, please beware of their leather items or fall leather, whatever you want to call it, because it just never fits. No matter what size you get, you can get the smallest size and it's still gonna just fit weird. So I don't know if the sizing is different in China or what, but that's just one of them things that they haven't mastered yet, so beware. Guys, that wraps it up for my Lovely Wholesale dress haul. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know which fit was drip and which fit was not it. It's okay, y'all can hurt my feelings, I don't care. Be aware that the shipping times do take a little bit of a long time, no longer than a month, but they do sometimes take longer. Like the smaller your order is, the longer it takes. If you somehow spend like over $100 and you do expedited shipping, it shouldn't take a month. But just always keep in mind it's coming in from across the world, so just gotta give it time, be patient. But you guys, that wraps it up for this video. So if all hearts and minds are clear, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more, period.